Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Cross Creek West, which is in Fulshire, Texas. The home that we're viewing is built by Village Builders. Now, if you've never heard of Village Builders, it is a part of Lennar Homes. This home is called the Kimball. The Kimball is considered to be one of their unique products. It is a next gen home. And what does that mean? It simply means is that there is going to be an apartment attached to the home. This is a 4 bedroom, 3 bath home, a little bit shy of 3,000 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the high $500,000 range. Now, if you were concerned about what school district this was going to be in, it is going to be in the Lamar Consolidated ISD district. The schools are going to be Morgan Elementary, Roberts Middle School, Dean Lehman Junior High, and Fulshire High School. Now, if you are interested in finding out what other communities we have around the Houston metropolitan area, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Also, if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Enjoy the rest of the tour and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this layout. I think it's really a unique thing, especially for growing families, for adult children. Enjoy the rest of the tour.